Holy cow. Boy, have you just stumbled upon the internet's best looking Sahara. Stick around, let me tell you about this thing. This is our 2014 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. This 14 is one of my favorite years. You do get the best engine that they put in my opinion. Tons of power in that 3.6 liter, very sharp. This one's going to have your nice alloy wheels, matching 5 all the way around. You get your upgraded bumper there. I love the LED lights on that, very sharp. You do get your 13,000 pound XBULL winch there, very nice, brand new, hasn't even been wired yet. Very nice. You do get a little bit of a lift here. You can see that it is set up really good. You're going to get your RC lift, which is one of my favorite lifts. We've put tons of those on in our shop. Very good lift. You do get skid plates underneath. You're going to get your tubular running boards there, and I absolutely love those because they are angled up a bit, so it's not going to compromise your ground clearance, but it's still going to give you the ability to get in and out of the Jeep very comfortably. Very well thought out. Of course, you do get your upgraded rear bumper, and of course you're going to have your tow package with your 4-pin plug there. Back here, I love this hardtop. You're going to have a ton of room, and you can see that the tailgate does lock there, so if you're on an incline you don't have to worry about it closing on you. Lift that up there, and look at this, very sharp. Underneath there, you're going to see that you're going to have a 60-40 split folding rear seat, so that will fold down so you can haul about anything you want. If you go to citymotors.net, I've got a full pictorial of that. Of course, your subwoofer there. You do get your extra tray here. I absolutely love that thing. You have your net there, so you're going to be able to set whatever you want in there without having to worry about it falling out or sliding down. Very cool feature. And then for my favorite upgrade, look at that. That is a front runner. What this is a little table. Check that out. That thing is too sweet. Absolutely love that upgrade. Very sharp. Of course, when you're looking at this one, you're going to see that the tires are in excellent condition, and these are the BFG AT KO2s, which are my personal favorite tires. It's what I put on any Jeep I've ever put wheels and tires on myself. You see, you're going to have a ton of room to comfortably fit 3 passengers, and you're going to notice that, bam, leather interior. Love that. Very durable. Back here, you're going to have your cup holders there, and of course you have your nuts on your door there. Very solid. You do have handles all the way around on this one. Of course, your full steel doors. You do have height adjustable seat. These are heated front seats. I love the Jeep embroidery there, very sharp. You're going to get dual, you're going to get the audio controls here, so you can control your radio without taking your eyes off of the road. You can turn your volume up, change your channel, change your song, whatever you need to do there. You're going to get your cruise control. This one is Bluetooth, streaming to the upgraded Kenwood deck there. Very nice. Of course, your power windows. Make sure you pay attention and you're getting one with power windows and 4-wheel drive, because they are optional, and there are a lot out there without those features. Make sure you get them. This one does have auto climate control. Very nice. Set it and forget it. And again, heated seats. You do have your power to your 150 watt 115 volt wall plug there. Very nice. And I love that console. This is the 3-piece Freedom top. They're going to pop off here. You can put them in the back, and then if you'd like, you can take the back rear piece off. That's actually very light and easy to maneuver. And this thing, you can tell it is in very good condition. The CarFax report is perfect, and it shows awesome service records on this vehicle. Of course, it is so easy to find these vehicles running around with way over 200,000 miles on them. It's a Jeep. These things are awesome. Now, one thing you are going to notice that I skipped over the first time was you do have your flat fenders there. It just allows you more clearance there. Very nice. This thing is set up with all the extras you know you want. Now you don't have to pay for them. They're already on, already set up, 100% ready to go. At City Motors, we are going to give you a 6-month, 7,500-mile warranty on this Jeep. That is coast to coast with roadside assistance. So if you are out of the area, have no fear. You can buy here. Coast to coast roadside assistance, 6-month, 7,500 miles. No processing fees here at City Motors. That is so important. We were comparing a vehicle the other day, and the dealer had a $4.99 processing fee, $9.99 reconditioning fee, and a $750 charge for financing. If you did not finance with this dealer 100% of the cost of the vehicle, you were charged an additional $750. Absolutely insane. What if you don't want to finance? What if your bank has a better rate? That dealer is going to charge you an additional $750. All kinds of hidden fees. Ridiculous stuff there, guys. Don't worry about it here. No fees here. You can call us at 540-433-7335. Text us 24/7 at that same number. But whatever you do, do it quick, because you know Jeeps like this under $30,000 are near impossible to find. This thing has thousands in extras already done on it. Everything you know you want anyway, plus some that you didn't even know you were getting, like that table. That's awesome. Do not miss this thing. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.